Hi everyone, today is November 8th, Wednesday, and it's 11:30 Eastern Time. Let's see what do we have today on the market. The market action is rather boring. Last 3 days we are just consolidating. There is literally nothing happening, and I would expect some drop, probably like 50%. At least 50% of the recent increase in prices, so probably somewhere to here. And I think Russell already started going down. Yes, Russell is more interesting last 3 days, so I didn't yet check what do we have on the strangle. We do have a strangle on IWM. I think it's like minus $50 right now, but I didn't check it today. Probably it should be around zero, around break even, so nothing interesting yet. And let's see VIX. VIX is here. It also does nothing, but it looks like it bottomed, so yeah, I would expect some kind of a fall on the SPX. So let's see what we have today here. And first I will go to check the ETFs, IWM. Nothing interesting. I don't want any long strangles or straddles today. Qs, same. Oh, they do have debit vertical put. Let's see what do we have with the Qs today. Nasdaq, yes, it can be a good idea to go with a put here, but let's see, not the futures but actual Qs ETF. What do we have here? What is this level? This is 357. Yes, I think, yeah, actually all of them are fine here. I'd probably go with the cheapest one, because this is a gamble. I do not expect to earn a lot on it, because it will be rather small drop. So yeah, spending $73 on it to profit probably around 350. I think this should be a good trade. So yes, we will keep this one in mind. The cheapest debit put on Qs on the Nasdaq. And SPY also has a put, debit vertical, and it is, I didn't check the profit to debit ratio on the previous one, so I will need to go back. Profit to debit is 0.15. Probability of price moving to the winning strike is 57, but here it's, I would say it is way higher than that. And our break even is 416. Let's see where the SPY is right now. SPY. Well, the SPY is at 436, and we expect 416 here. Well, that is of course the break even at the expiration, so we will not have this trade for that long. Probably we will close it on Friday, hopefully, but I think like tomorrow, or yeah, Friday. So it will be faster, and we do not need that large of a move. So even if it will go to 424, for example, it will already probably double in price. So yes, or do we have maybe something with a closest strike, because it's already cheap, it's around 100. No, nothing interesting, everything is around 417. Yeah, well, I probably would take the most expensive one actually, because it will allow for a larger profit. So yeah, let's see this one, profit to debit 0.13 on the SPY, and the Nasdaq is the largest one. This one, it's $9 spread, 0.15. Yeah, we will go with the Nasdaq here. It is a nice one, I think. It's $100 debit to earn what I think like 6, even more. Oh, almost 800, but it's on the expiration. So overall, I would expect it to, well, to be around like 200 probably, because we will close it very fast. And let's see all the strategies for all the companies that I check. So debit vertical put, maybe there is something more interesting. AMD, Costco, T-Mobile. No, definitely not interesting. Long calls, definitely not. Strangles, Condors, not right now. It will go down, then it will go up, but yeah, it probably in a week will be more or less at the same level, but this is just like expectation. So it is possible to go with a shorter in Condor, but it's a Mongo. I think I already have Mongo. I will double check. Yes, we do have a public trade with our MongoDB Iron Condor, so there is nothing interesting here. I would not go with the created vertical calls. Again, it's just Mongo here on the top. Created vertical puts, no, because I expect the market to go down a little. On calls, no. Butterflies, no. No. I do not want to put another strangle or straddle. We have, I think, 2 of them. One strangle, one straddle, emerging markets and IWM. Just doesn't make any sense to do it. So yes, this is it. We will open debit vertical put on the Nasdaq, QQQ, with the widest spread from 352 to 343, December 29, and I would expect to close it rather soon, maybe in 2 or 3 days, maybe like next Tuesday. We will see. And as for our open positions, there is nothing really interesting. The Tesla was, you could actually close the Tesla, but I will need to check it. I think it's just, the profit there is like $50 probably, so it's too boring to close. And waiting more, I think it's, when is the expiration? The expiration is on, yeah, it's on December 15, so I would expect a small drop and then another rise, another higher top. So I would wait maybe another week or 2, and then I would close it. As for the short puts, Mara could be closed like yesterday, but I thought, like, why bother? It's also a very small position with like 150 dollars credit. So if I would close, it would be like $70. Doesn't make any sense, too little. Well, technically it's a rule for somebody to close around 50% profit, but it's pretty small, and I do expect the Mara will go up from here as well. Right now it's around 0 or something. The Mara has dropped today a lot, but we're still at the break even. Long straddles EM and long straddle IWM, they're around break even as well. The stock doesn't move anywhere, so nothing interesting there. I do not plan to close them today. So this is it. We'll try to open this position, and we'll see you probably on Friday. I don't think I will have time tomorrow. So see you soon. Have a good day, and leave the like under the video, subscribe, and all that stuff. Bye.